Greetings, my friends. Thanks for stopping by. So I got a new tablet, really enjoying it. But you know, a tablet, you cannot use it if you don't have Wi-Fi, unless you've already downloaded your entertainment that you want on there. But let me show you how you can use your cell phone to connect to the internet through your cell phone's data plan without using your hotspot. I don't know about you, but my hotspot plan only includes 10 gig of hotspot, but it's unlimited data. So you can bypass the hotspot and you can connect through Bluetooth, which I prefer to do, or you can get a USB-C cable, plug it in here, and the other end has to be USB-C too, and plug it in here. And you can tether your data connection through that way. But let's do Bluetooth. First thing, go up and turn on your Bluetooth right there. And then go into your, and pair it with your tablet. It does that automatically when you turn it on. If it doesn't, just select it from the menu. And then go into your network, hit hotspot and tethering, choose Bluetooth, and now your data, your internet that's coming through your phone is not only coming through your phone, it's also being used to connect this to the internet. So I'm getting my symbol that my Bluetooth is enabled right there. There is no indication that it's connected through data. So let's see if we can get to Google. Okay, that's the YouTube page I already had pulled up. So let's see if we get a fresh connection. Boom! We are connected. So let's try going through to the news or something like that. It's going to be a little slower through Bluetooth, so keep that in mind. Yeah, that's a little slow. But, you know, all right, let's do another thing. So let's go over here and go to hotspot. That's your hotspot name. Click on that and select that, and you can tether that through your hotspot also. And once you use up all your hotspot data, then just go through Bluetooth or USB. So, and I'm using my old Moto phone, it's the G6, to do this video. And I can connect it through the same way. I just don't think you can pair all the devices at once. I don't know, I'll get back to you on that. But so there's your internet when you're out boondocking. And you think, well, maybe I won't even have data if I'm out boondocking. What about that? Well, if you get the WeBoost data booster, I think you're going to be okay. I did a previous video on that. So this tablet is connected to the internet through this phone's data plan using Bluetooth and not the hotspot. So that's just a new trick I learned yesterday. I know all the kids probably already knew this. Okay, so now let's do traditional old hotspot tethering. So I've gone into settings, I've selected hotspot, and I've turned it on. Okay, so we've got hotspot on the phone on. Now we go over to the tablet and you select what might say Wi-Fi or WLAN, either one. I'm going to turn it on and it's going to connect to the Wi-Fi here in this house. But we're not going to use that. Turn it on and it's going to connect to the Wi-Fi called Go Blue because they're Michigan fans. Go Big Blue. So we're going to disconnect from that. We're going to use something called Moto G Power. There it is. That's my phone. Look at that signal, how good. Now, I'm not going to show you my password, but you'll get that box right there. Okay, I will log in and be right back. Okay, I use my password and you see that I am now connected to Moto G Power phone with good signal as my Wi-Fi. Okay, so now that we're connected to the hotspot, let's see if we can just go to Google. Come on. There we go. Oh yeah, it's much faster. Now let's try going to the news. It's about the same as the Bluetooth. So there you go. We're connected either way. And right now I don't have a USB-C to USB-C cable, but if I plugged it in, it'd do the same thing. So, but I think the wired connection might be a little faster. But anyway, for all you old birds out there like me, maybe you learned something today. I'm sure all the kids are laughing at this video because they knew this a long time ago. All right, guys, take care, be well, smash the bell.